Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Amber Sharnice and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So you guys, this episode, I know y'all looking at Amber. God dang, how y'all let it get this bad? This is going to be a clean with me for the holidays. This is before I actually start decorating and all that good stuff. I wanted to get the house nice and clean and spick and span from top to bottom. In this particular video, you guys are only going to be seeing me cleaning the front room, which is the living room and the kitchen. I did clean all the rest of the house, but off camera because it took me a span of a few days to get through everything here. Of course, to get started, you got to have some good music. So that's what I was doing at the refrigerator, turning on my tunes. And I'm just getting these chairs out the way. And we are going to get started with cleaning. So I won't be talking this entire video, but there are some things I'm just gonna, ramble about a little bit. Like one, I know y'all see them big old granny panty drawers. Look here, I'm so sorry. I did not know that the shorts that I had on was see-through. Had I known that, I would have never put them on. I low-key wanted to scratch this whole video, but I was like, no, this is too much footage. So I'm not doing that. But y'all, they gonna keep on popping up. Y'all send me some links to the little cute drawers y'all be wearing. Let me stop playing. I'm just kidding. But no, so yeah, excuse that. So yeah, we're just pretty much getting started. I am getting everything off the counters, getting like extra trash and stuff like that thrown away so we can start wiping them down. And that's pretty much what you guys see me doing here. I think it's really, really important to start cleaning like different seasons, like really doing a really deep clean around the house and getting things prepared. This was actually a little bit before Thanksgiving, you guys. So we had the house nice and fresh and clean for all of our guests that came over, all of our family that helped us celebrate Thanksgiving as we hosted here again this year. And yeah, it's just a wonderful thing. I love the holiday time. I love hosting at our house. It's just so nice to be able to blend our families together. We don't have to worry about, are we going to go see your folks for Thanksgiving or Christmas and this, that, and the third. Everybody just comes here. And I'm so grateful to have the type of families that we have where everyone gets along and everyone's happy to see each other. And we're joking and we're laughing and we're playing and all kinds of stuff like that. So we had a really, really great Thanksgiving here, and so we're hoping to do it again for Christmas, okay? So we'll probably be doing some more cleaning again, another cleaning video before Christmas actually gets here. But this is pretty much what is going on in this video. As you guys see me, I got my concoction, okay? I'm spraying the house down, and whatever this was, it smells, I think it was like Mr. Clean or something. But it has the laundry fragrance, like the Gain laundry fragrance in it. So the whole house was smelling like good old freshly washed laundry. So it smelled really good by the time we got finished cleaning up. But yeah, y'all, this is just me wiping down stuff, trying to be as thorough as I can. Yeah, just trying to be as thorough as I can to get everything clean. I just wanted to make sure that, everything is nice and sanitized and clean for everybody when they get here. And, we can just enjoy ourselves and have a good time. So this is pretty much all this video is going to be about. I'm actually going to start playing some of the good music now so that y'all can sit back, relax, and just, get inspired or motivated to clean your own home or whatever. Y'all, I love the kombucha, okay? Been drinking it down. Been burning my chest hairs, okay? But it's so good. All right, y'all. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't promised Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming